This is the second video for the Nifty Shipment tool. In this video, we're going to explain a little bit about how the Nifty Shipment logic works, show you some of the common error messages, and what the Data Augment tab is for, one of the advanced features of the Nifty tool. Because all the data that's returned from the API is put into Excel sheets as regular data and there's no formulas, filtering, sorting, and auto-filtering all work as expected. Most commonly, all of your items will be in one shipment, but in some cases, you'll provide a list of SKUs that will need to be broken up into multiple shipments. The Step 1 and Step 2 functionality, which have not created a shipment for you, can be very helpful in planning your shipments. Once you've completed the Step 2 functionality, you can use auto-filtering to see which fulfillment centers your shipments are bound for, as well as how many shipments these SKUs have been broken up into, and sort and auto-filter to understand the shipment plan that's been presented for you. Again, until you press Step 3, you haven't created a shipment in Seller Central. The main things that impact how many shipments your SKUs will be divided into is fulfillment center and label type. Please note that fulfillment center can be impacted by oversized items. This next section is going to demonstrate how the Nifty Shipment tool deals with common errors. Many of the errors are accounted for with the code in the Nifty Shipment tool. In this case, we forgot to set a quantity, so the tool throws a pop-up message. There's a true in each error column with a message to tell you what the problem is. This next section is going to demonstrate how the Nifty Shipment tool deals with common errors. In this first example, we didn't set a quantity on a few of the items. Step 1 will proceed, but Step 2 will have an error. Each of the rows that is impacted will have a true, and there'll be an error message in the error message column to help you identify what the problem is. So now we'll go ahead and set quantities and repress the Step 2 button, at which point the tool will proceed as expected. At the time of this creation, there was not an Amazon Web Service to pull title information. So the Data Augment tab will allow you to paste in some information, such as title or internal identifiers that you would want sitting next to your SKUs to help you identify them on the list. In order to utilize this, just rename column A and column B on the Shipment Items tab to match the item on the Data Augment tab, and it will essentially do the VLOOKUP for you to bring this data in every time you run Step 1. You can change the column between ID 1 and ID 2, hit Step 1, and you'll notice the IDs in column A change. The benefits to doing this versus VLOOKUP is that VLOOKUP is not case sensitive, this functionality is, and you don't have to copy and drag formulas down. This will conclude our video. Thanks for watching.